Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where and how to enable GPS receiver on your HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this operation, we have to swipe from the top on the right side here. Now we can see our shortcuts, and one of the options is location. To enable GPS, we have to tap it once, and our GPS receiver is now active, and we can access all the functions that it's enabling. It's very simple, as you can see, and that is basically all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.